Damn, everybody mash up. Wow. Hey yo, Wagwan, what's up? This is Xavier. Welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna be watching Thor Love and Thunder. Okay, so this movie gets a lot. I'm seeing a bit of hate for this. So people did not like it. I think. Let me say, let me coach that. I've seen a lot of people didn't like this. It didn't get any universal praise like the previous version did, Ragnarok. So people did not like this as much as they liked Ragnarok. So I don't know. It's given me a little pause, but I'm gonna try to remain open-minded. I'm gonna judge it as I see it. I'm maybe watching the IMAX version. So what I do know is we get Thor, we get Lady Thor, I think that's the name. I don't know. But we get Natalie Portman back as Jane. We get Valkyrie, Sif is back. We get some gods. I know is Russ Crowe is Zeus, and also Christian Bale plays Gorr, I think that's the name. A villain. Gorr God Killer, I think that's the name. So somebody kind of like Kratos from the God of War games. Yeah. So I don't know what to expect. Well, I know what to expect in terms of like how Taika Waititi does his movies, but the hearing that maybe he went a little too deep into it this time. But I don't know. This movie didn't get a lot of love, so the internet was kind of man. So it wasn't really talked about a lot. Not like the other series I'm reacting to right now, which is like She-Hulk, where it generated a lot of but love and hate. So, but this one it didn't really generate a lot of buzz, so I didn't see I have to dodge much for it. But looking forward to seeing what we're getting. Like I said, the IMAX version, IMAX Enhanced version, and yeah. Let's get into it. Okay, so we start off on Christian Bale. Cool. Okay, so they're going through it. They're struggling for water in some kind of desert. And she's weaker, so she's dying first. Yeah. That's sad. Well, I get why he's going, because he has basically nothing to live for right now. He's just running on... Whoa. He's running on basically nothing. An oasis.
Of the eternal reward. Is this why you celebrate?
He thinks there's an eternal reward! Sorry, there's no eternal reward for you, dog!
Oh boy.
My daughter died. in your name.
And well you should. Suffering for your gods is your only purpose.
Oh.
Go after death. Accept death.
Oh, okay. Oh. He is way too complacent.
Go to eternity. It's revenge you seek.
Oh, wow.
Go to eternity. Go to eternity.
The sword came to him. Interesting.
Feels like a promise. So this is my vow.
To kill all the gods.
All gods will die.
Mm-hmm. I get his motivation. He was there worshipping Rapu, and his daughter died, and Rapu did not care one little bit. Which is expected because he's a god. He is complacent. He has nothing to worry about.
But Thor's one true love was an earth woman named Jane Fonda. Oh, wait, no. Jane Foster.
Yeah, right, Jane.
In the battle for love, Thor lost. Ooh. In fact, he lost a lot of people in those days. His mum, his dad, and that guy, and that guy, and whoever that is, and Heimdall, and his brother, and his brother again, and again. Poor Thor had to watch his planet explode, and then he said, "What have I done?" It seemed that everything and everyone he loved, he lost, and so he hid his heart behind a big fleshy bod, so it could never be broken again.
Though disrespectful to the Warriors 3 right there, you know.
Back to work.
Must hurry, okay? People are dying. See you down there. Hurry up!
What?
I said it was going to be like a relaxing holiday. But look at that resplendent skyscape. 3 suns, a Saturn. What could be more relaxing than that?
Oh yeah, it does look good. I'll give him that.
The odds may be against us, but I'll tell you this for free.
Here it comes.
This ends here and now!
Oh, very nice. Yeah, me too, Quill.
He's not trying to go into the temple, is it? No.
Yes, he is.
We can collectively take credit for that because we worked as a team.
Is the temple gonna collapse?
With minimal loss.
Yeah.
What a classic Thor adventure. Hurrah!
The book.
Yeah?
I wrote it.
You're Dr. Jane Foster?
Yes, she is.
Like that.
Just ruined your own thought.
Yeah, she did.
Anyway, it's not that serious.
Jane, it's stage 4.
I have like how many stages?
Like 5? Oh, 4.
Well, you have somewhere else you gotta be right now that's more important than chemo.
No.
Exactly.
You're not getting what the universe is actually trying to tell you, so let me translate.
Slow down.
Slow down.
bang.
If there's anything I can do, or if you just want to talk, call me.
I don't know how much that cost him to get Skarsgård for just that scene. Unless it shows up further in the movie. I would hope that we'll get more of him, more of Selvig. Cruise ships? What?
Old guys.
Oh, they've gone commercial.
We're here to take you home. Yes, to planet Asgard.
Oh, they're back.
Oh, look. Juicy. It's happening. I'm disappearing.
Great acting. Oh, Melissa McCarthy.
As is tradition, the protectors of our world are bestowed with great feasts. Giant goats!
Oh, look at that! Those things are beautiful. King, you can't thank you so.
Oh, okay. That's why I heard something about goats with this movie.
Oh, they are beautiful.
Yes, they are beautiful. They also scream quite a lot.
Yes, they do.
Alright, everybody just relax. The goats are gonna be fine. If not, we can just leave them to meet. Meeting people. They're a great conversation starter.
And I've been told you can summon them with a special whistle. It goes something like this. No, that's not it. You have a go. No, that's not it.
Definitely not it.
Start the ship, my friends.
I don't know, maybe we should split up. There's so many people to save. I mean, look at all of this distress calls. Then I found meaning. I found love. And yeah, I got taken from me, and God, that hurts. But that shitty feeling is better than feeling empty. My hope for you is that one day you will find something to make you feel this shitty.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice.
I don't know which is worse, but it's why I keep everyone at arm's length. My old friend. Human handshake. To the Asgardian shake. Into the snake that you cannot trust. Really dragging this out.
Yes, he is.
Just look into the eyes of the people that you love. They'll tell you exactly who you are.
I want to die a warrior's death. On the battlefield, in battle. And then I can claim my place in Valhalla.
Oh, I hate to break it to you, but for a warrior to get into Valhalla, you have to die in the battle.
Yeah, that makes sense. No, it was not a necessity move. It was just a move to create creatures.
Mjolnir.
It's not gonna go to you. Oh, that's interesting.
Come on.
Hey.
Jane?
I need you to promise me you'll always protect her. And I love you too, buddy.
And love that deep has a way of becoming magical.
Oh, okay. I guess that explains how she's able to use Mjolnir. Mjolnir.
Thor.
Did I say Nick Fury? Oh! Whoa!
And you know this is going to hurt.
Pain What is pain? A construct invented by the weak. Okay, the first.
Yeah, he's gonna go. Oh no. Yeah, the different targets.
Flew around the world twice. Nothing.
Cowards must have run away. We'll find them.
Quite a reunion, huh?
You're telling me.
What's it been like? 3, 4 years?
8 years, 7 months, and 6 days.
Oh, but who was counting? Yeah.
Majesty, should we start working on a performance of this entire debacle? See, people need entertainment.
Not right now, bros. Not right now.
I did not hear a no. Nor did I. Asgard, yes. Night.
Go to daddy. No, Mjolnir. Hey, there you are.
Essentials only, everyone. That's essential.
Yes, of course.
Well, you know what? It looks good on you. It works. So. What?
We were just talking.
Yeah. Like, calm down, Stormbreaker. Chill.
We will return with children. Many children. And then we shall feast. Not on the children. Do not do that anymore. Those were dark times.
Ooh, that's cool. Interesting.
Know what Opti loves?
What?
Having his head ripped off.
Okay.
There's the god of magic. God of dreams. God of carpentry.
Oh, look at that one.
Oh yes, that's Bao, god of dumplings. Psst, hey Bao.
Look up there.
Cute. Good entrance, Zeus.
I hereby open this holy council of the gods, where we have many serious matters to be talked about, such as where are we going to hold this year's orgy?
I'm sorry, did you not hear any of what I just said? He's murdering en masse.
I tell you, one time, now you shut up, you be quiet, because you are this close to being uninvited to the orgy.
Zeus, we must do something.
You cannot come to the orgy.
Go on my signal.
What is the signal?
It'll be go.
Good signal.
And flick.
Flick too hard, damn it!
I put your clothes back on. Flick, flick. This is the golden temple of the god.
Hey, we do my plan now?
Yes, Russian bomb.
Hell yeah!
Oh, you didn't say go. I'm perishing.
That's the sound of lightning.
Oh. That was cool.
Head, and you got properly humiliated.
So I got properly naked, which I'm okay with. Jane?
I was okay with it.
Cool.
Yeah, of course you are. Oh.
Listen, we good? Yeah? I mean, I know it's a little weird having my ex-weapon around, but come on, Mjolnir in the past. It's you and me now, buddy. You know what? I think it's time for your first beer. What do you say?
This is so weird.
Sorry we've been fighting lately.
Don't question it. I will not question it.
Space dolphins. This, you should see some space dolphins.
Space dolphins?
Beautiful.
So beautiful, so rare.
Oh, they're actually space dolphins.
Because you lost your girlfriend in battle and never forgave yourself. And now you just try to find answers in the bottom of a bottle with some meaningless dalliance which only serves to numb the pain instead of bringing you real happiness or satisfaction.
Yeah.
Something like that.
See? Yeah, of course.
Jane.
What?
I want to feel shitty about you.
You need context for that, bro.
I want to be with you, Jane. What do you say?
I have cancer.
I'm sorry, what?
Yeah. Kind of a brum to drop.
It shows you because you're worthy, and that's something. When I first met you, I was unworthy. I was unable to pick up that hammer. But you taught me there is no greater purpose than to help those in need. You made me worthy.
Oh, that's a nice line.
I wonder what those two are talking about out there.
They're not talking. Yeah, of course. They are not talking at all.
Bifrost is the key.
Oh, the key to eternity?
It's a trap!
It's a trap!
Wow, that was easy for him.
The gods will use you, but they will not help you. There is no eternal reward for us. She'll be gone soon.
Damn, this guy is very powerful in this realm.
He does not have to grow up in a world of suffering and pain run by wicked gods. Choose love. Gorr the axe.
Gotta tell you, his breath must be minging. It must be awful.
Gorr.
Breath must a kick. I'm gonna tell you that.
You okay?
Yeah.
I don't think you are, but alright. Yeah, it is kind of like the moon. The gravity there and stuff. Oh no. He's losing it. Oh.
Hey guys, we're here. Come on, let's go.
Stormbreaker, take us home.
Oh. Damn, everybody mash up. Wow.
It's your choice, Jane. But I'd regret it every single day if I didn't ask you to stay here so we can try and figure this out together.
You better come back to me.
He will.
I'll break all those things.
Good joke. Ooh, that is cool. That's a nice visual. Hey, Thor.
We're gonna sneak our way towards Stormbreaker.
Being very careful not to bump into any of those big shadow monsters. They're behind me, aren't they? Does anyone here have battle experience? Well, no time to learn like the present. The power of Thor!
General Axel, lead your army to that axe.
Wow.
You are worst.
That is nice.
For Asgard.
Swinging around that teddy bear. She made her own choice, Thor. Gotta just live with it. Oh. Oh, she couldn't stop it. It's still going back to the sword. Damn. Oh. Okay, so there were still some of the elements of the sword in there, so she... whatever she did there, destroyed it. Oh, this is kind of like Demon Slayer, where they're in Tanjiro's mind.
What do I seek?
You seek love.
Ah. Okay.
Love. I choose love. You can too. You can bring her back. Make your wish.
Interesting. Oh, this gonna play out.
She won't be alone.
Well, Thor's gonna be the stepfather. nice cinematography. With the god eternity in the reflection, and then the daughter coming out. Yeah, beautiful. Love that.
I've gotten an extra life. It was magical. Not too bad for you, man.
Not too bad at all.
Not too bad for a god.
I
love you.
I love you too.
Okay, that was nice. A very good moment. Is she going to Valhalla?
Take my love.
Thor is not the stepfather. He's the father that stepped up.
Axel Heimdall's who could now do his dad's freaky eye magic, was becoming quite the warrior. The future of Asgard was secure.
Ah, I'm glad they brought back Sif so we could see
My body's grown back.
what she's doing.
Dude I met called Dwayne.
They're pan-flaps from Earth.
I don't think I like pan flaps.
Pancakes, bro.
You're not wearing those.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Go to hell, demon!
If you see anyone scared or being picked on, look after them, okay?
Okay.
Most of all, have fun.
Gotcha.
Gotcha.
She's going to school?
I love you, sweetie.
Love you, Uncle Phil.
The space Viking and his girl born from eternity with the powers of a god.
Oh, not school. Well, it is school. It's warrior school.
They have traveled far and have been given many names. But to those who know them best, they are simply known as Love and Thunder.
The name of the movie.
Now, you know, they look to the sky. They don't ask us for lightning.
What did they ask for?
Ask us for rain. They just want to see one of their so-called superheroes. Do you understand me, Hercules? Do you understand me, my son? Yes, Father.
Villain setup. Hercules is the next Thor villain. And then the next scene is Jane in Valhalla. I think.
Jane Foster,
Heimdall?
welcome to Valhalla.
Yeah, I was right. Alright, so that was Thor Love and Thunder. I'm gonna keep this short. It was not bad. It wasn't great, but and I would definitely not like recommend it to be like, yeah, you must watch this. No, but yeah, it was. It did have a little something to it, you know, isn't me? A lot of the humor landed for me. There's some nice visuals. Acting was on par, nothing scary to me. I would have wanted more Sif, but I don't know. But what we did get she might have burdened the story a little bit. Yeah, but what we did get was everybody was sufficient. I rated like a 6.5 to 7 out of 10. Reading some of the thoughts about it, I would have expected something much worse, but this was kind of in the vein of Ragnarok. It wasn't as good as Ragnarok, but I don't hate it. Truth be told, I don't hate it. I genuinely thought I would be here at this point saying, yeah, it was meh. But it wasn't meh. It wasn't, oh wow! But it was, yeah, okay. I think I communicated a lot there. But yeah, so Gorr, okay villain. Yeah, it wasn't like a bright spot, but that was on Christian Bale's part. It was just like the story and everything, but he did what he had to do. I don't hate it. It set up the future movie, which is called, but Chris Hemsworth is taking a break, so who knows if and when that will be. But it said Thor, for like Hercules as the villain. I don't know. But so Love is the child and Thunder's Thor. Okay. And then further to that, the whole theme of the movie was about love, because Gorr loved his daughter and he loved the gods, and then his god Rapu mocked him, and so the love turned to hate, and then the Necrosword chose him. He killed the god, and bada bing bada boom, story set in motion. And then Thor was basically with the Guardians, but he wasn't fulfilling, and so he needed something in his life, and that was love. So he rekindled it with Jane, and then now he's looking after the child. Yeah, so he's found something to live for rather than just battle, which is what we saw at the start of the movie. We're just there waiting for battle to feel something, but now he feels something all the time, training the child to be like a warrior. Yeah. So overall, decent movie. I thought I'd dislike it, but I didn't dislike it. I don't love it either though. I do not love it either. But you know, can always knock it out of the park. I had problems with Ragnarok. Regarding some of the humor, regarding like about the Warriors 3, and like about how they dealt with like Asgard blowing up, but they didn't do that much. They did joke about the Warriors 3, but everything else was handled well in terms of the death and all that. So I appreciate that change. So I like that much better in this movie than Ragnarok. But overall, Ragnarok was a better movie. So it's hard to. Yeah, I'm judging it against some great, but you know, that's how it is. Yeah. So not a lot to talk about. It's a good scene. The gods bow was cool, and we get to see what new Asgard is like. That was interesting. Yeah. So if there's anything more, I'll speak about it. But those are my thoughts. Goodbye.